Hi, employee time tracking is a great headache for team leaders in any industry. Maintaining a timesheet for each and every employee is an extremely time-consuming job. Not to mention that manual tracking the exact time of clock in and clock out for field employees is almost impossible, especially when they work at multiple job sites. Plus, if you ever lose the daily attendance log, it can turn payroll management and client billing into a nightmare. Now, here's a great solution for you. Introducing KnackClock, a revolutionary app that will make employee time tracking easy and hassle-free. With KnackClock, employees can now simply clock in and out via the phone and take a selfie at the job site to prevent time theft and keeps everyone honest. Employees can also use the break feature during break time and switch feature when he changes job site or task. Employees can keep updating the progress of their assigned tasks on the app along with photos. The admin and supervisor will be able to review all the timing reports and work progress in real time to ensure optimal performance. KnackClock comes with 3 user roles: admin, supervisor, and employee. Based on user role access, the supervisor can manage his team activity. KnackClock allows all users to log expenses along with receipt or bill attached with just a few clicks on their phone. Report of time and materials expenses will also help payroll and invoicing operations very smoothly. KnackClock offers many more features for your business. Download KnackClock and say goodbye to all the struggles to maintain manual paper time cards, Excel sheets, lost attendance sheets. And be relaxed, save time and money.